Microsoft just changed the AI inside your Word and Excel and never asked you. You thought you picked your AI tools. This week, your tools picked for you. On July 9th, Microsoft made OpenAI's brand new GPT 5.6 the default brain of Microsoft 365 Copilot. That means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Chat all quietly switched engines. No update to install, no button to press. Microsoft says it needs no user action. The model you leaned on last week is simply gone from the driver's seat. GPT 5.6 comes in 3 sizes, Sol, Terra, and Luna, and Copilot picks one for you. The cheap one nearly matches last year's best. Luna, the budget model, roughly matches the last generation at under half the cost. So Microsoft gets sharper answers while paying less to run them. Picture opening a contract in Word tomorrow and asking Copilot to summarize it. A different mind answers than the one that answered last week, and nothing on your screen says so. If your software can swap minds behind your back, make this the feed that tells you first, follow, and like. Now the twist. This tighter partnership lands amid reports OpenAI and Microsoft are drifting apart. Your daily tools now ride an uneasy alliance. Copilot can still fall back to older models when a task fits them. But the default is the one setting almost nobody ever changes. So the vast majority of Office users just got a new AI, silently. The benchmark leaderboard everyone is fighting over barely touches your desk. This quiet swap touches hundreds of millions of documents instead. The real AI race isn't who scores highest. It's who's already inside the tools you open every morning. Weeks ago, Microsoft was quietly building its own models to cut OpenAI loose. Today, it made OpenAI's newest model the default anyway. That story's on screen now. Follow for more silent AI swaps. That's your black box art for today.